Weather Project by Peyton Ruth, period 6. Hello, my name is Alex Beasley and I am a weather woman for Channel 6. And today I will be covering topics such as clouds, severe weather, and climate. Who knows, maybe after this video you might just become an expert in all these topics. Some might ask how clouds are formed. Well, when warm air rises, it expands and cools. The cool air can't hold as much water vapor as warm air, so some of the vapor condenses into tiny pieces of dust that are floating in the air and forms a tiny droplet around each dust particle. When billions of these droplets come together, they become a visible cloud. There are many types of clouds, and those range from high clouds, mid clouds, and low clouds. High clouds consist of cirrus, cirrostratus, and cirrocumulus. Mid clouds consist of altostratus, altocumulus, and nimbostratus. Low clouds consist of cumulus, stratus, cumulonimbus, and stratocumulus. Low clouds can cause any type of weather, such as rain, snow, sleet, and hail. Now let's move on to something more serious like severe weather. Severe weather refers to any dangerous meteorological phenomena with the potential to cause damage, serious social disruption, or loss of human life. A thunderstorm is a storm with lightning and thunder. It is produced by a cumulonimbus cloud, usually producing gusty winds, heavy rain, and sometimes hail. The basic ingredient used to make a thunderstorm is moisture, unstable air, and lift. Thunderstorms can occur anytime, but they are more likely to happen during the spring and summer. All thunderstorms are dangerous. Every thunderstorm produces lightning, and that kills more people each year than tornadoes do. A tornado is a violent rotating column of air extending from a thunderstorm to the ground. The most violent tornadoes are capable of tremendous destruction with wind speeds up to 300 miles per hour. They can destroy large buildings, uproot trees, and hurl vehicles hundreds of yards. Tornadoes form when hot air from Mexico and cold air from Canada meet, and this causes a tornado. This is because the two air masses are meeting. Tornado Alley is a place where tornadoes are frequently happening. They're the most hot spots for tornadoes. And Tornado Alley extends from central Texas northward to Illinois and Indiana. The heart of Tornado Alley includes parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, eastern Colorado, and South Dakota. The less intense areas of Tornado Alley include parts of Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Iowa, Tennessee, Kentucky, Wisconsin, and Minnesota. A hurricane is a violent storm that deals with water. It can be up to 600 miles across and have strong winds spiraling inward and upward at speeds of 75 to 200 miles per hour. Hurricanes usually last for over a week. They move 10 to 20 miles per hour over the open ocean. Hurricanes gather heat and energy through contact with warm ocean waters. Evaporation from the seawater increases the hurricane's power. Something important to know is that hurricanes rotate in a counterclockwise direction around an eye in the northern hemisphere and in a clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. If you're wondering where the center of a storm is, or also known as the eye, it is right here. And the eye is the calmest part of the whole hurricane. It has only light winds and fair weather. Now, when the hurricanes hit land, the heavy rain and strong winds and large waves can damage buildings, trees, and cars, and a hurricane can be very vital. Now moving to our last topic. Climate is the average weather usually taken over a 30-year time period for a particular region and time period. Climate is not the same as weather, but rather it is the average pattern of weather for a particular region. Weather describes the short-term state of the atmosphere. Oceans cover about 70% of Earth's surface. Their large size and thermal properties allow them to store a lot of heat. Land covers 27% of Earth's surface, and land topography influences weatherproof patterns. Climate change represents a change in long-term weather patterns. They can become warmer or colder, and annual amounts of rainfall or snowfall can increase or decrease during climate change. One important thing to know is global warming refers to an average increase in the Earth's temperature, which in turn causes changes in the climate. A warmer Earth may lead to changes in rainfall patterns, a rise in sea level, and a wide range of impacts on plants, wildlife, and humans. Thank you for watching this special broadcast on Channel 6. I hope you learned more about clouds, severe weather, and climate. Alex Beasley signing out.